Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the engine is current. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Android System WebView and note the version. Then open Google Play and update WebView and Chrome. Once done, make sure developer options are enabled only if you must change the WebView provider. Most users do not need this. You want the latest security fixes and compatibility. Installing updates first prevents many crashes and simplifies the next steps. Now you choose and verify the implementation. Open Developer Options, pick the WebView implementation when required, Chrome or Android System WebView, and then force stop the app and clear its cache to remove stale state. Restart the device to load the new engine cleanly. After reboot, open a few apps that use embedded web content and try links, forms, and media. This confirms rendering and JavaScript behavior. If pages load correctly, you can finish by validating real-world behavior. Use apps that rely on WebView for a normal session and watch for crashes or layout issues. If something goes wrong, uninstall WebView updates or switch the implementation back. This often restores stability. Make sure to clear the app data for the crashing app and reboot the phone. Troubleshooting tip: if crashes persist, boot into safe mode to rule out overlays and third-party conflicts. This isolates the WebView problem without a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.